No. Sorry, this one has to stay. Hii sasa jaribu ukae nayo. Because today I have come to mourn my late brother, Raila Amolo Odinga, with whom we went to the trenches to give this country a good, reputable, respectable, democratically oriented nation. The type of nation that young Kenyans have been looking forward to. And in fact, I've literally agitated. So I'm dressed this way literally to remember that I'm going to honor the father of Maandamano. We resisted, and Kenyans are still resisting bad governance. Kwa hivyo, tumefurahi kabisa, tumeambiwa Kisumu dala. Tumekaribishwa Kisumu. We'll pay a short courtesy call on Governor Peter Anyang' Nyong'o immediately from here. And I think the rest of us will be moving to Bondo. It's about an hour to get to Bondo. And we ask that people drive peaceably and without any situation. We pray. In fact, I want to ask one of the bishops to come and commit this journey before the Lord. Hapa tuko na clan elders wa Ukambani. James Kilonzo is here. He's like the king of Ukambani. So, and then we have also the Council of Elders. We have also the professionals here, led by Professor Mulubi. We also have the other Apex team, the bishops. The bishops are here, like Bishop Mwangangi and Archbishop Kituba, Apostle Musili. And then of course the members of parliament, the former members like Mheshimiwa Ezekiel Mweo, Mheshimiwa Patrice Ivuti, Mheshimiwa Ndoto is actually the chair of even the wing of Ngema upande wa Mount Kenya South, literally, is here. And so we're very excited. I've just been talking to the Kamba local stations out there. And we are all united in mourning our late brother, Raila Amolo Odinga. That's why we come. And we like what we are seeing. People of Kisumu, people of Siaya really welcomed us. I spoke to Governor Jim Orengo. I think they're all waiting, supporting Mama Aida and the family. So that is what I want to say, media. You can see we have really